Hello guys, welcome to Mathematics Classes by Nikita. So in this video I will be discussing exercise 1.6 which is based on the practical problems on unions and intersection which we have discussed in the last video. So again a very easy exercise. You should remember the three formulas which we have derived in the last video. So let's see the first question. If x and y are two sets such that the number of elements in x is 17, number of elements in y is equal to 23 and the number of elements in x union y is equal to 38, you have to find the number of elements in x intersection y. So question 1. So given to us is n of x is 17, n of y is 23 and n of x union y is 38 and you have to find the number of elements in x intersection y. So we know that by formula 2 x union y is equal to so just plug in the values, everything is given to you. So this implies 38 is equal to 17 plus 23 minus this, and this implies so 17 plus 23 is 40. So 40 minus 38 is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. So question number 2. If x and y are two set such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? So again the same type of question. Given is n of x union y is equal to 18, n of x is 8, n of y is equal to 15, and you have to find the number of elements in the intersection. So we know that n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So just plug in the values. So 18 is equal to 8 plus 15 minus, and this implies which is equal to 23 minus 18. This is equal to, so this will give you 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Next question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So first of all you have to define the sets. So let A denote the set of people who speak Hindi and let B denote the set of people who speak English. Now what is given to you? Now one thing in this question is missing, what I feel. In a group of 400 people, so this is your universal set, और यहाँ पे यूनियन के बारे में कुछ नहीं दे रखा. So it should be given in the question that each one speaks at least one language, so that the union becomes, the number of elements in the union becomes 400. ठीक है. तो हमारे पास ये भी गिवन होना चाहिए दैट ईच वन in the group speaks at least one of the language. Note that. Okay, so it is given to us. Since nothing is given, so we can take the union to be, the number of elements in the union to be 400. So it is given that the number of elements in A is 250, the number of elements in B is 200, and A union B, the number of elements in A union B is 400. And what you have to find? You have to find the number of elements in the intersection. So how many people can speak both Hindi and English? Now we know that number of elements in A union B, so we are using the formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So just plug in the values. So this implies 400 is equal to 250 plus 200 minus n of A intersection B. And from here you get that the number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 250 plus 200 minus 400. So this becomes 450 minus 400, so 50. Okay, so next line would be hence 50 people speak both Hindi as well as English. Next question, question number 4. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? So what is given to you? So given is n of S is equal to 21, n of T is equal to 32, and n of S intersection T is equal to 11. And you have to find the number of elements in the union. So n of S union T. So you have to find this. So we know that n of S union T is equal to n of S plus n of T minus the number of elements in the intersection. So just plug in the values. So 21 plus 32 minus 11. So this will give you 21 plus 32 is 33, 43, 53. So 53 minus 11. So it is 42. So the answer is 42. Now let's see the next question. Question number 5. If x and y are two sets such that x has 40 elements, x union y has 60 elements, and x intersection y has 10 elements, how many elements does y have? So what is given to you? It is given that x has 40 elements. So n of x is equal to 40. Union has 60 elements. So n of x union y is equal to 60. And the intersection has 10 elements. So n of x intersection y has 10 elements, and you have to find the number of elements in the set y. So again we know that we are using the formula 2. This is equal to just put all the values. So n of y is unknown to us, so we will keep this as it is. And from here n of y is equal to 20 plus 10, 30. So the answer is 30. Question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. So note that each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? So first let us define the sets. So let A denote the set of people who like coffee, and let B denote the set of people who like tea. Then A union B is the set of people who like at least one of coffee or tea. Okay, so now let's write the given quantities. So it is given n of A is equal to 37, n of B is equal to 52, and the union is equal to 70, because there is a group of 70 people and at least one, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. Okay, and you have to find n of A intersection B. So let's use the formula. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now just plug in the values. So you'll get 70 is equal to 37 plus 52 minus n of A intersection B. And from here you will get that n of A intersection B is equal to 37 plus 52 minus 70. So this is equal to this value will be equal to 59 में 30 add करो, 69, 79, 89. So 89 minus 70. So the answer is 19. So 19 people like both tea and coffee. So you have to write the last line. Next, question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? Very important question. First of all, let us define the sets. So we have two sets. One is of cricket and one is of tennis. So let A denote. So let A denote the set of people who like cricket. Set of people who like cricket, and let B denote the set of people who like tennis. Now what is given to you? It is given that the number of elements in A is 40, number of elements in the intersection, so 10 like both cricket and tennis. So number of elements in the intersection is 10, and there are 65 people. Again one line is missing here, that each people. So note that each like at least one of the two games. So I will write here that each people like one of the two games. So each people like one of the two games. So therefore if I add this statement, then the number of elements in the union will be 65. Now what you have to find? You have to find two things. Number one, how many like tennis only and not cricket? So not cricket means A complement, and बीच में and, you can see and, so we'll write intersection, and tennis only, so B. So you have to find number of elements in A complement intersection B, and secondly you have to find how many like tennis. So number of elements in B, the set B. So first let us find the number of elements in the set B. So using the formula that the number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in the intersection. We will get that, just plug in all the values. 65 is equal to 40 plus n of B minus 10. So 10 people like both cricket as well as tennis. So from here you will get so this is equal to 25 plus 10, which is 35. Okay, so 35 people like to play tennis. Now next part you have to find, so next thing which we have to find is number of elements in A complement intersection B, and I have already told you that A complement intersection B is nothing but B minus A. Okay, it is the set B minus A, and the set B can be written as B minus A union with A intersection B, where these two sets B minus A and A intersection B are disjoint. So where B minus A intersection B is empty. So therefore the number of elements in B is equal to number of elements in B minus A plus the number of elements in A intersection B. We know what is number of elements in B. We know the number of elements in A intersection B. So we can find the number of elements in B minus A. So therefore what we have is n of B was 35. So 35 is equal to plus 10. So from here you will get so hence 25 people like to play tennis only but not cricket. So you can note that we have first found the number of elements in B because we wanted to use it in finding the number of elements in A complement intersection B. Last question, question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? So how many speak at least one of the two languages is basically that you have to find the union. First, let us define the set. So let A denote the set of people who speak French. And let B denote the set of people who like to speak Spanish. Now what is given to you? It is given that n of A is equal to 50, n of B is equal to 20 and 10 speak both Spanish and French. So therefore the number of elements in the intersection is 10. And what you have to find? You have to find number of elements in A union B. So therefore using the formula 2, the number of elements in A union B is equal to just plug in the values 50 plus 20 minus 10. So this is equal to 70 minus 10, which is 60. So 60 people like to speak at least one of the two languages. So that's all for today. So we are done with exercise 1.6. If you have any problem, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my videos.